Today, we're discussing the essential topic of UCR Renewal. If you're in the transportation business, especially if you operate across state lines, you need to know about UCR, which stands for Unified Carrier Registration. It's a program designed to ensure that carriers pay their fair share for maintaining roads and infrastructure. If you're running buses, trucks, or any commercial vehicles, UCR compliance is not just necessary, it's mandatory. The renewal process can be tricky. It involves updating your information and paying the required fees annually. Missing the renewal deadline can lead to fines and penalties, something no one wants to deal with. So, keeping up with UCR Renewal is crucial for your business's smooth operation. But why is the process so complicated? Well, the forms can be detailed and require precise information. They cover everything from the type of vehicles you operate to the number of vehicles in your fleet. It's essential to get these details right to avoid any compliance issues. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot of paperwork. And you're right. That's where FMCSA Registration.com steps in as your trusted partner. We specialize in handling all the nitty-gritty details of UCR Renewal, making sure your forms are filled out correctly and submitted on time, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Remember, staying compliant with UCR is not just about avoiding penalties. It's about keeping your business in good standing. The transportation industry is competitive, and you want to make sure you're operating legally and efficiently. To make the process easier, keep a checklist of your vehicle details and any changes that might affect your registration. Regularly update your records and don't wait until the last minute to renew. Planning ahead can save you a lot of stress and potential fines. In summary, UCR Renewal is a vital part of operating in the transportation industry. It ensures fair contribution to infrastructure costs and keeps your business running smoothly. If you're feeling overwhelmed, FMCSA Registration.com is here to help. They'll handle the complex stuff so you can focus on the road ahead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical insights into the transportation world. Stay safe out there, and remember, FMCSA Registration.com is your go-to resource for all things FMCSA compliance. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. See you next time.